You know, chillax. Nano ba ka ba rin? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan, a in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Hey, for today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Cutcut Angeles City. And we were invited by this newly opened bar and restaurant.
Yes, this is V Cafe Bar and Restaurant.
We're gonna explore the food, everything that they serve here. If you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Right, so Mark is preparing our table. Isa-isa guys, lumarating na mga pagkain natin. But let me give you a tour dito po sa lugar na to. And immediately, ayan, you're gonna be greeted with this really spacious dining area. At the far back, meron tayong bar area. So meron tayong mga performers dyan, might probably. And then dito sa left side natin is, ayan, this is actually a room that you can rent. So consumable po tayo dito, convertible into food. So you have billiards table, video okay, karaoke, and darts.
I am Vanessa Bango. I'm one of the owner of V Cafe. Personally, I created this na sa taste ko. So yung iba mga guests namin like pumupunta dito, in-expect nila na since cafe bar and restaurant, yung normal, pero nagugulat sila na masarap yung food, maganda yung location, and then everyone enjoys it. And then may mga gumagawa ng events dito. Kunyari may birthday, we do catering exclusive for them.
Right, so kasama natin si Chef Mark ng V Cafe. So, to introduce yung mga pagkain natin. So, Chef, ano po yung mga in-offer natin dito sa V Cafe?
Meron po kami all-day breakfast,
Yep.
lunch, dinner. Then meron pa kami mga appetizer para sa mga promo namin sa mga drinks namin. Start po sa salad. This
Sige.
one Caesar salad namin. Appetizer po yung nachos namin. Time favorite natin.
All-time
sisig.
favorite sisig.
Then,
Yes. So, meron tayong margarita pizza and
all meat pizza.
all meat pizza.
Garlic parmesan, buffalo wings,
Meron tayong kare-kare. Meron po tayong
roast beef,
salmon,
roasted chicken, and baby back.
Oh. After natin pakilala yung mga food natin, tikman naman natin.
May favorite baby back ribs, mga roasted beef, ganun. Like if you wanted to relax, you can have margarita or you can have mojito. Yan. Maraming options actually. We also serve beer. Inviting everyone to go visit V Cafe Bar and Restaurant by HP, located here in Cutcut Angeles City. Start at 10 a.m. and then we close at 3 a.m. We would assure you that the food is fantastic, the place is good, and you will enjoy it.
Brother, another place for us to hang out. Lalong-lalo na sa mga community natin na naghahanap dito sa may Angeles area.
Yes.
A little bit secluded.
Actually, hindi lang siya pang chill, even pang family din. Pwede
agree.
mag-enjoy dito.
I agree.
You could play billiards, you could play darts, you could sing also doon sa kanilang mga videoke area. Sa mga food naman, ako na-enjoy ko yung kare-kare nila.
Para naman, of course, salmon. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like the amenities, anything you like in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends. And whenever you share it, please tag us para po malike namin yung mga shares nila.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.